Creative thinking needs a balanced physical and mental environment. Stress also in some situation is beneficial and helps to deal with the present difficult situation. On the other hand, if we get nervous in the stress, then it can be a disaster.
If you, as an in service teacher, want to create a novel ideas, you need to create a stress free environment and pay attention on your thoughts, your imaginations, take care of your potential and stress response to encourage your creative thinking. It is noticed that there is a particular time and particular place that enhance your creative thinking. Some people are very creative in thoughts at the morning time, some at the bedtime, and some in washrooms, and other are in garden. It depends on person to person.
सुर के बिना है जीवन सुना सुना सब संसार सुर के बिना है जीवन सुना सुना सब संसार सुर की नदी में बह के धारा चली आना सुर की नदी में बह के धारा चली आना जब मैं पुकारूं खुशबू बनके तुम चले आना मेरे सुर में सुर मिलाकर तुम गाना
Music also plays an important role in creative thinking, as music relaxes our body and mind and makes us stress free and helps us to generate out of the box new ideas to deal with the present situations. Reading books also enhance imagination. While reading books, our mind is relaxed and imagine characteristics, places and situation in the mind and help to flow out ideas freely and spontaneously. On the other hand, when you are forced to some situations where you are not comfortable and you find suffocated and you find that that environment has a negative effect on you, then you have to work out on that environment that has a negative effect on your abilities. Try to find out the factors, time and places that helps to make you more creative. Focus on the particular time in a day when your creativity is at the peak and helps you to generate new ideas and to deal with the difficult situations. When you are able to find factor and time, then you are able to deal with the situation according to the demand from you and then you will be more creative.